My man's D at the motherfucking van control. You know what I'm saying? It's him and his own.
Yeah.
VM, we them. You know what's going on, man. I ain't even gotta say too much though. Like, catch me like around this time next year, dog shit records, man. Superstar in the motherfucking making. You know what I'm saying? Hollywood star on the ground and shit like that. You wouldn't know. You know what I'm saying? My man's ABM shit. You know we got a whole lot of that and where that came from. We ain't even really doing too much though, we humble. You know what I'm saying? I was starving a couple months ago. You niggas don't even know what's really going on. I starved, nigga. Like I really know. Like went to sleep hungry off the backwoods, nigga. Looking through that couch for the motherfucking quarters to go to the store to get that good time. You niggas don't know nothing about standing down and sacrificing though. This ain't no drunk shit though. This straight player shit though. You know what I'm saying? I see you side eye looking at me like you got that lazy eye. I ain't even doing no tripping.
Down on your ass, you feel what I'm saying? You gotta get off your ass and go get it.
You ain't even doing no tripping though.
But it is what it is.
For real.
Gangsters, we money getters, man.
For real.
You gangsters dying down, man. We
Real
getting
talk.
chicken.
Real
you know what I'm
talk.
saying? Bitch hungry. She like Zaza and steak. You niggas out here playing, man.
Yeah.
Shaking ground like earthquake.
Yeah.
Make up realize what's going on.
This ain't come from Johnny Dang, I'm busting. Fuck me on that money. See, I should have had the bottle or to the TD who was up here, brother. We ain't got no drink.
Man, tell one of them go get some drink.
Hold on, I got it. Watch it.
Let me take a motherfucking big dog, broski in the trenches, any credit cards, get a top, 20 grand low.
Shit, bro.
I don't buy jewelry, I buy hot cars.
I don't even know these hoods, but I'm about to say we gotta try to make them go get a bottle right quick. Y'all fucking with that?
Yeah.
Y'all gotta like fuck them up on me. Y'all gotta fuck
Yeah, it's all going on. Yeah, the shit going on. Yeah.
Man, shit going on, man. Shit going on records, man. You know what I'm saying? We don't need no fucking shit.
I do what I needed, man. I rule out what I wanted, and I go protect the honey. Fuck me on that money.
Wait, so what are your guys' names? Ron? Okay. And this is your music?
No, this ain't my song.
This ain't your song. Play your song.
Play the music. Mama's music. What's your name?
Felice?
Felice?
Yeah. Oh, is that filming?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
You too.
Oh, YouTube?
Mhm.
Are we gonna be in a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Tag me.
Gotcha. What's your social?
Are you famous? Are you famous yet?
Stay down with it, nigga. You go watch your progress. For real though.
All black Drake hit your face, T getting low, slinging a 9.
Hmm.
Shit that they think can stop me, like brother take some down, he stomp on niggas, they gon' call him ground beat. TV out his mind, he strikes it up and he don't need no ID. Oh, I'm sliding, hold on.
Good.
Turbo kick the cup, he sip on lean, he slipping like a zombie. Please don't try to try me, phone them be on go, they train or blow, they try because I'm shiny. This guy come around and fall on. Tell him free Molly 5 however he come, you know I'm right behind him.
Another fucking your dead game.
That fucking addict, nigga. None of your dead. Nigga. Know what's going on, nigga. Shit going on, nigga. On these nuts, nigga. Come on, let's run it. The boys fried. Niggas fried. Spaz fresh like a motherfucker, bruh. Them fool fresh like a motherfucker. I'm out jacket, I'm out that jacket, you don't even know that dude.
That little dude's fast, stay fresh, bro.
That boy got on the Atlanta jeans, nigga.
That's really my swag right there. That's really my swag.
Everybody else fried.
You know that?
You know lunch break, nigga. Break your shit, we about to go blue his ass, bruh.
Real talk.
Shit that they can stop me, look brother take some down, he stop on niggas, we gon' call that ground beat. TV out his mind, he strikes it up and he turned up all that drink, I'm in the booth and I just get around me. Turbo kick the cup, he sip on lean, he sipping like a zombie. Please don't try to try me, phone them be on go, they turn up, blow, they try because I'm shiny. Niggas can't come around and fall on my body. Tell them free Molly 5 however he come, you know I'm right. Yeah. Shit that they can stop me. They can stop me, look, brother, take some down. He stuff on niggas, they gon' call like ground beef. TV out his mind, he shiced it up and he don't need no ID. Turned up all that, I'm in the booth and I just get around me. So bro, kick the cup, he feeling like a zombie. All he know is closed cases. Don't be surprised when that hot grease hit your body, boiling up like dropping fries. Trying to blind a nigga eye. They gon' make sure nigga shy, so do not try to get outside me. Let this nigga ride. Nigga know that shit had failed. You dumb as hell, won't be that guy.
Nigga took the pictures like not even 5 minutes ago, and nigga about to post them bitches on the ground. You don't want no more pictures?
Time coming.
Trip ran out.
Come on, my nigga, let's do this. Deal with it, don't be so when that hot grease hit your body, blowing up like dropping fries. Got my piece on me, I'm trying to blind a nigga eye.
Damn. She just ran the tea. Iced tea.
This is crazy. I really thought they was lying, bro.
Glass broke behind us. Oh, Lord.
It's no fucking way, bro. Stop Joseph right now, brother.
Nah, she did.
Playing right now, brother.
It is.
Stop playing. Man, you was playing. You ain't see that. How
He
you
put
see
that bitch in
when
it.
you
No, she did that. She been to that before. All that.
No, bro. There's no way.
Oh, for
That
real.
bitch really got a car in her bag, bro. No, brother. No, brother. No, brother.
She got the bitch in
Brother.
the napkin.
That bitch got feathers on it, everything still.
That was tough.
Son. It was hot, like, yeah, she didn't come
And she told me I'm a little boy.
cool,
But you eat. But you still a chicken.
The bitch was cool.
She snuck cold chicken.
See, so like
That
when you
hungry.
was seeing like when you was standing there when she was putting them bitches in her bag.
That musty.
I won't be that guy. When she want me, she be mad. When she get around me, she acting shy. Don't be listening to fake apps. Niggas goofed out, they be pie.
This shit ain't like no game, this shit real life. This shit really going on. Nigga, he said, you can tell my bro a real street nigga.
Real life.
I was out here putting these niggas on, but niggas ain't give me, I was starving, nigga ain't give me nothing.
Yeah. Sound like my daddy, huh?
I was 20 pounds.
Yeah, daddy.
God. Yeah, a little bit.
11,000 to get where I need to go.
Where I just come from.
Yeah.
Fucking famous hoes. I'm trapping around and I'm selling them bull and play like Pat Mahomes. PPP wasn't enough. Oh, you got that bag, the whole start acting nasty.
My auntie fat.
I don't pop outside no more unless I'm picking up racks. Don't post this though, these niggas didn't even hit it, this shit didn't even drop. Body after body, this shit fake, don't give niggas no respect. I'm in Atlanta right now with Baby Trim and BB Fast Truck.
Niggas big on mine, I got that cake baked by my mama.
If you with them niggas, you're getting it too, but I drop a comic, nigga. I said narcotic, nigga. I'll be like this nigga, no father figure.
This shit right now, man. Finishing the deal off.
That's the last one. Last one I fucking did. What an ad.